Hi everyone, welcome back to Ghor. In today's video, I will show you how to upload your first artwork on Adobe Stock Contributor step by step. So first of all, you need to log in your Adobe Stock Contributor dashboard. Then you will see a big button which called the upload button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you can either drag and drop your image or browse your device to select the photo you want to upload. Once it uploaded, I will appear in the list below. So first of all, you need to select file type. It's a photo because this file is PNG. Then you need to select graphics resources is category. If your image was created using artificial intelligence, don't forget to check this box. This is very important to follow Adobe's policy. And people property, if your photo includes people or property, you must clarify whether you are fictional or if have a model or property release. Otherwise, mark them as fictional or leave as is if not applicable. Then be a title, and then here you can see some suggested keyword. You can pick one by one, or you can select all. Then you can see all edit perfectly, or you can do one thing, search IMStocker. Here you can find your best keyword. So enter the website and then paste your title in here and then search it. And try to pick up the same image as you upload. And you can see this image is perfectly matched. Then you need to choose your keywords, powerful keyword from here. I chose some keyword. Then copy the keyword, copy to clipboard from here. Then go to your artwork and here you paste it. You can see 5 is extra keyword. Then you need to remove some keyword from here. So I remove some keyword. Then you can see it's perfect. And now submit one file, or you can save your work. So I submit it and tick mark this and continue and fill up the Captcha. Here you can see, please click all the images contain as a cat, and then it's a mistake. Then again mistake. Then what you need to do, you write something about the image and then click the submit button, and that's it. Now just wait for approval from Adobe Stock. In the next video, I will show you how to fill out the text info properly. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials from creator Ghor. And that's it for today.